Hi guys, it's Team Hagelin, and we got this new Nexo Knight. It's AXL. He looks pretty cool, and here's the back of the box. You can scan it, and then you can put it into the real game. Dump out the pieces. It says, come out right now, come out. Okay. Bag 1. Bag 2. Let's see if there's any more. Okay, here's all the pieces right now, and then we'll come back with you guys and show you how cool it is. Hi, and we're back, and we have the ultimate AXL. Let me show you something cool. Boop, 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 boop. You want me to do it this way? Boop, 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 boop. Hold on, let me try to do it. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. And also his mouth can lift up just like that. And also there's some more cool play features. Like if you don't know how it's doing it automatically, then you twist this thing like side to side like that. That's that. I wish this thing could turn, but it really can't. It'll be pretty cool, but. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it's pretty short, but that's Ultimate AXL. Subscribe to if this was the first video. If you like on me, put the description down below, and make sure if you want to talk to me on Twitter or Facebook, do that after this video ends, and it's doing it right now. Bye, guys.